Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is macabre. It is pronounced macabre and spelt M-A-C-A-B-R-E. Think Mac, ab, and then R-E. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Macabre means something that is gruesome, grisly, or related to death. It's a good way to describe something that is gruesome, deathly, or dark in nature. For example, you could say, the hideous horror movie was macabre, or the clown's freaky makeup had a macabre appearance. The word macabre comes from the French word macabre, which means dance of death. It was originally used to describe a medieval type of artwork depicting death and the afterlife, usually in the form of a skeleton. This meaning has evolved today to mean anything gross or about death, usually in a negative way. In the movie Coraline, Coraline visits a magical other world, which is very like our own, but not quite. Everything is darker, more dangerous, and a bit macabre. Synonyms for macabre are gruesome, grisly, and deathly. Antonyms for macabre include cheerful, light-hearted, and pleasant. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, macabre. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus exam Daily Vocab Show.